Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize Appwrite performance step by step. Improving your Appwrite project's performance helps your application respond faster, handle more users efficiently, and provide a better experience for everyone. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest stable version of Appwrite and the latest compatible Appwrite SDK for your application. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements that can make a noticeable difference. Next, review your database design. Organize your collections or tables carefully, create only the attributes you need, and use efficient queries to retrieve data instead of requesting unnecessary records. I mean, returning only the data your application actually needs helps reduce response times. If your application stores files, optimize uploads by compressing images and other large assets before sending them to Appwrite storage. This reduces bandwidth usage and improves upload and download performance for your users. Another important step is to configure permissions correctly and avoid unnecessary authentication requests. You can also cache frequently accessed data in your application whenever appropriate, reducing repeated API calls and improving the overall user experience. If you're using a self-hosted Appwrite server, monitor your server resources regularly. Make sure your CPU, memory, storage, and network capacity are sufficient for your workload, and scale your infrastructure as your application grows. Reviewing logs and monitoring tools can also help identify performance bottlenecks before they become major issues. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to optimize Appwrite performance and keep your backend running efficiently as your application grows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.